Your brain doesn't want you to be happy. Not really. It wants you to survive. That's it. For most of human history, we didn't chase happiness. We chased shelter, food, safety. Happiness? It was a luxury. A byproduct. A glitch. So your brain evolved to focus on threats. To scan for danger. To predict pain. That's why good news fades fast. And bad news sticks like glue. It's why you replay embarrassing moments from years ago. Why your inner voice whispers. You're not good enough. You should be doing more. You don't deserve rest. Because to your brain, doubt equals caution. Anxiety equals alertness. Guilt equals control. It's not broken, it's doing its job. It's keeping you alive. But here's the truth. You're not in the jungle anymore. You're not being chased by lions. You're being chased by notifications, deadlines, perfection. And your ancient brain? It can't tell the difference. So if you want peace, you have to reprogram it. Not with toxic positivity. Not by forcing a smile, but by pausing, breathing, observing the fear, and choosing something better. Because happiness isn't your default setting. It's your rebellion. And it starts with awareness. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more great content.